So in this video, we're going to be looking at diols. Diols are the compounds with two hydroxy groups, and when we name these compounds, we want to indicate the position of both hydroxy groups and put the suffix of diol at the end. So this first compound is 1,3-propanediol, and we've got 1,5-hexane diol. We can make diols, common names, glycerol, ethylene glycerol and propylene glycerol indicates two hydroxy groups. We can prepare diols from starting with a diketone and then just reducing it with one of the agents we talked about in the last video. Diols can also be produced via dihydroxylation of an alkene. This is one of our addition reactions that we talked about. We can have anti-addition with a perioxy acid or a syn addition with the osmo tetroxide. And that's it for this video.